guys, gals, and non-binary pals. I hope you're doing well today. My name is Jules if you're new here. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be telling you everything you need to know about zines, and I'm super excited. A lot of you guys watching are probably wondering what the heck is a zine even, because even though this is one of my favorite art challenges, and I think it's just so great for anyone who is creative or an artist to do, to just make something outside of the box. I could not find very much of about zines on the internet when I was first getting started with these, so I thought I would just make my own video. Basically, a zine, this is my first zine. It's just a mini magazine that anyone can make. It can be about anything at all or nothing at all. I've seen zines about political activism, or I've seen people use them for storytelling. I've also seen people use it to display random pieces of art on every page, which is so cute. Alright, so how do you even make a zine? First, let's talk about supplies. You're going to need a large piece of paper, or like a scrapbook paper or a watercolor page, something that's just really big so that your pages will be big enough to put whatever you want on them. And this is going to be your base page, what you're actually going to make the zine out of. As much scrapbook paper and patterns and pretty things to glue in there as you can find, because you never know what you could use. I also have sticky notes of all sorts of colors. I think those come in handy. As many stickers as you can find. I've collected a bunch of sticker books and other stuff from Michael's and Hobby Lobby just because I love making zines so much. It's kind of like scrapbooking, but like mini scrapbooking. And here's more scrapbook paper that I collected, stickers, photos if you want it to be that kind of zine, random things. These are just like glue-on little mini glow-in-the-dark stars. Letter stickers, these come in handy a lot. The first thing you're going to want to do when making a zine is grab your paper and fold it hot dog style. Then you're going to fold it hamburger. I feel like I said that weird. And hamburger again. And then you're going to unfold your paper like it was before, and then you're going to fold it hamburger this time. And take your scissors, and then with the open end up, you see how the open end is on the top? You're going to cut from the bottom up, but make sure not to cut all the way through the middle. And then you're going to fold it hot dog style again. Push the insides, because there should be a hole in your paper now, like that. Yep, you're going to push the insides together, and then kind of smush it all together like a little book. You might have to replay this part because this part is what tripped me up. But yeah, now you have yourself a zine. But you're obviously not done yet, so what you're going to do next is number all of the pages in order, so that way when you unfold it and decorate it, you know which page is which. And then you can cut out your pieces of paper, and I like to put in backgrounds. You don't have to, of course, but I did number my pages, so I had to cover my numbers, obviously. But yeah, you just put in all of your decorations, your photos, stickers, whatever you want in the zine, and you've got it. Stick around for some zine inspiration and some finished zine examples at the end. Now I'm just going to show you all of the zines that I've made so far, because I know that whenever I first started making zines, I like literally scoured the internet trying to find anyone else who had made zines and what they made to get inspiration, just because there really was not a lot out there. So here's some of my zines. Hopefully they inspire you. I think they're really cool. Yeah. These are all my zines. I'll start in the order that I made them. This one's like, it's called Julia's Love List. It's just things that make me happy, obviously. Hee hee. This one, sorry for all the joke references. I think this one's for my personal fave. Oh. And then, I believe it was this one I made with my sisters. Just things we did that day. And this one.
Cute.